I can do 1,000 wrong things or 1,000 right things. It actually does not change the outcome. He is the only person that can decide what's his next step. Currently, I'm a full-time business life coach and a part-time travel content creator. But for the past maybe 10 years, I run my own social media agency and influencer agency. It's a 7-figures business.
What made you become who you are today that really happened, that changed your life forever?
I had a divorce and an online saga that happened. So 2 big things that happened. But I guess more what people don't realize is that when you're married to someone, it's like your identity is tied to another person. And I didn't know what were my hobbies. I didn't know what I loved. Everything I did was for the relationship or for the work or for whatever role it was. I was so empty, and I said I didn't know what I like. Like, I don't know what I like. I don't know what makes me happy. I don't have hobbies. My life was just work and making money and doing things that people required of me. And it was so scary as well. But suddenly you're like, okay, you gotta figure out your own life. And I was so sad. I was like, oh my god, I'm such a failure in this area. But how can I not know myself? I would still be stuck in that place. Like, I wouldn't be healthy, I wouldn't have friends. I wouldn't have Muay Thai friends. I wouldn't have my yoga friends. It's so different. But right now, I am like living my best life.